Hello Mike, and welcome to Kevin's workshop. This is the Model 48 that we spoke about. As you can see, it's in a very good condition, this one. I've already set it up to do your cable, so we'll proceed as follows. You take the cable, slide it in through the guides up to the end stop, press the button, and there we go. Perfect strip, leaving the insulation on. What we'll do, snip that off. If we open up the end stop, we can do a complete pull off. Again, insert it in up to the end stop. There we go, complete pull off. And does exactly the same with your other ribbon cables. Just bring the guides in closer. Again, insert it up to the end stop. There we go, a nice strip. And if you want to go back to partial pull off, the end stop in position. And there we have it.